Barley grass, a valuable natural gift. Barley is among the most ancient cereals and probably originating in southern Asia. Barley, Hordeum vulgar, barleygrass is the young plant seedling that develops after 1 to 2 weeks out of the seed. The popular sweet grass is one of the most valuable foods in the world because of its incredibly high vitality and density of nutrients. Properties and active substances. A unique combination of vital natural substances performing essential functions in corporate processes is included in the natural remedy. Among other things, cell division and participation in various metabolic processes is regulated in vitamins, minerals, amino acids and secondary compounds of plants. They are also involved in blood cell formation, tissue and bone formation. Antioxidants, like sod, interfere with dangerous free thick radicals and support our immune system. They are extremely rare. Sod. The health effect provides our organism with all significant vitamins, minerals and other vital materials to detoxify the body effectively and normalize the balance of acids. Regenerates bowel flora and removes bowel fungi, Candida albicans. Lifts the mood and can contribute to depression. Ease chronic intestinal disease symptoms, ulcerative colitis. Reduces high levels of blood cholesterol and sugar. Has an effect against inflammation. Has proven effectiveness against cancer of the prostate and skin. Helps prevent drive shortages and improves concentration. Encourage loss of weight. Encourages children's mind and physical growth. Ensures that the hair looks good. Prevents premature graying and combats the hair loss causes. Helps neurodermatitis and acne prevention. Possible side effects. The use of rich fiber in some people's digestion causes problems, such as barley grass. Fluttering, a feeling of pressure or stomach rumbling are often evidence that the intestinal flora is not balanced. Some users report side effects after taking barley grass, such as vomiting, nausea and diarrhea. This leads to lower doses at the beginning and slow increase in the daily dose, especially for chronically ill people. Although the natural remedy is 100% gluten-free, gluten traces may come into the product during the barley grass powder production process. Therefore, people with celiac disease should be very attentive to their intake. The same goes for people suffering from allergies. As the barley grass decreases the level of blood sugar, it in combination with medical prescribed medication may cause dangerous hypoglycemia as a side effect in diabetics. Dosage. Barley grass products are sold as powder, capsules or tablets, pellets. The exact dosage of different forms of dosage depends on the cause of the disease. The next dose is often recommended. Powder of barley grass. 1 to 3 tea cubes in water and juice, 10 to 30 grams, 3 times daily. Or 5 capsules, 6 grams, 3 times per day. What should you look for when purchasing barley grass? Because barley grass is sensitive to oxidation and heat, it must be processed with care. Otherwise, valuable active ingredients are lost. Furthermore, it should be harvested during the growth phase because the nutrient concentration is highest. These considerations should be made for barley grass powder, capsules, and pellets. In the description, we linked barley grass we like. We hope you will give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.